All right, y'all, stop buying store-bought broth because it has natural flavoring in it. And you want to look that up to see what I mean by that. Look up what natural flavoring is and you'll see for yourself. Instead, you want to make this tasty at-home broth. We're going to start with throwing about a tablespoon of avocado oil in there. You want to do avocado oil, not vegetable oil or canola. Avocado oil is where you want to go. We're going to throw in our onion, about half a cup's worth, and our celery. Let that saute in there, as well as 4 cloves of chopped garlic and about 4 chopped carrots. Go ahead and get that mixed and let it saute for about 5 minutes. While it's sauteing, go ahead and throw in some salt and pepper as well. Once you let that saute for about 5 minutes, let's go ahead and pour in our water. Pouring in about 8 cups of water with all this. There we go. Okay, and we're going to add in some chopped kale. A couple of stalks worth of chopped kale. Or any kind, you could do collards, any kind of rough greens you can throw in there. We're going to throw in chopped parsley, small handful of thyme, fresh thyme, 2 full bay leaves worth, and then also some rosemary. Got the classic rosemary and thyme. So go ahead and let that come to a boil. All right, once you have it at a boil, bring it down to a simmer. And you're gonna wanna put a lid on it, put like crack, not fully on, just kind of crack the lid. And we're gonna let it simmer for about 30 minutes. All right, so we've let that simmer in there for about 30 minutes. So what we wanna do, we wanna take a strainer, put it on top of another pot, and just go ahead and pour that liquid in. And if you've only made one batch, you could save this extra amount. Go ahead and make another batch of broth if you're wondering what to do with that, so you don't waste all that. So there you go, some at-home vegetable broth. And you can transfer it into some mason jars or glass containers, so you can store it in the fridge for cooking. This should keep for at least a couple weeks. And there you go, people. Try it at home.